Welcome to our video about top 5 foods that rebuild muscle after 60. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly strong? Not the kind of strength that comes from lifting something heavy. I mean the kind of strength that helps you stand up without struggling, carry your groceries with ease, or take the stairs without fear. For many of us over 60, that kind of strength feels like it's slipping away. But what if I told you it doesn't have to? Muscle loss after 60 is common, but not irreversible. The secret? It starts with what's on your plate. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful foods that don't just slow muscle loss. They help you rebuild it. Naturally, gently, and deliciously. Stick around till the end, because food number 5 might just be your favorite surprise. Food number 1. Eggs, nature's muscle multivitamin. Let's start with a food you probably already love, eggs. Yes, the humble egg. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This little wonder is a complete protein powerhouse. Each egg gives you about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, packed with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which is especially important for muscle repair and growth. Did you know that after 60, your body becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle? It's true. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors need more protein per meal than younger adults to trigger muscle synthesis. That's why starting your day with eggs makes such a big difference. But eggs give you more than just protein. Vitamin D supports muscle function and bone density. Choline, essential for brain and memory health. Healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. I once spoke to an 82-year-old gardener who eats 2 eggs every morning. He swears they give him the energy to keep up with his tomatoes, and he's still carrying watering cans like a pro. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or even baked into muffins with spinach and peppers. And please, don't skip the yolk. That's where the vitamin D and most of the nutrition lives. Now that we've cracked open nature's perfect protein, let's talk about the kind of food that swims upstream to fight inflammation and keep your muscles young. Food number 2, fatty fish, the ocean's anti-aging elixir. You've heard it before, eat more fish. But here's why that matters after 60. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These aren't just good for your heart. They actually help reduce chronic inflammation, a silent saboteur that speeds up muscle breakdown as we age. In one clinical trial published in Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed omega-3s saw significant improvements in muscle protein synthesis, the very process that builds new muscle tissue. Even better, they gained more strength compared to those who didn't take them. And don't forget, fatty fish are also rich in complete protein to fuel muscle recovery. Vitamin B12 supports nerve function and energy. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that aids muscle repair. When's the last time you had a piece of salmon for dinner? What if that one choice helped you walk easier next month? Bake salmon with olive oil and lemon. Add sardines to whole grain toast. Or make a tuna salad with Greek yogurt instead of mayo. Eggs give you the right start. Fatty fish keep you strong. But now, let's explore the food that does its best work while you sleep. Coming up next, a creamy, comforting food that quietly repairs your muscles overnight, and why bedtime might just be the most important time for muscle health after 60. Want to wake up stronger? Don't go anywhere. Food number 3 is coming up next. Food number 3, cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle builder. Let me share something most people don't know. Muscle recovery doesn't happen in the gym. It happens while you rest. And as we get older, that recovery becomes slower. But what if you could feed your muscles while you sleep? That's exactly what cottage cheese does. This underrated dairy food is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually over several hours. So, when you're sleeping, your muscles are still getting the fuel they need to repair, rebuild, and grow stronger. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming 30 grams of casein protein before bed enhanced overnight muscle protein synthesis in older adults. In other words, it helped their muscles rebuild while they rested. 1 cup of cottage cheese offers around 25 grams of protein, plus calcium, supports bones and nerve transmission. Vitamin B12, for muscle and brain coordination. Phosphorus, helps turn nutrients into energy. I remember interviewing a 70-year-old retired nurse who suffered from nighttime leg cramps and stiffness. She started adding half a cup of cottage cheese with flaxseed before bed, and within weeks, she was waking up feeling more flexible, less achy, and stronger. Mix it with fresh fruit like berries or pineapple. Top it with walnuts or chia seeds. Or enjoy it plain with a drizzle of honey and cinnamon. When was the last time your bedtime snack did more than just taste good? What if it could repair your muscles, protect your bones, and help you wake up refreshed? Now we've covered your morning start, your midday strength, your nighttime recovery. But what about something tiny, something you could add to almost anything, that works like a nutrient bomb for your muscles? That's coming up next. And you'll want to remember this one because it's easy, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. Food number 4, chia seeds, tiny seeds for big strength. They may be small, but chia seeds pack a nutritional punch that's hard to beat, especially if you're over 60. Just 2 tablespoons deliver. 4 grams of plant-based protein. 10 grams of fiber. 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. Magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, all critical for muscle and bone support. And here's where it gets really exciting. According to research in Nutrients, 2019, omega-3s, like the ones in chia seeds, boost muscle function and reduce inflammation, especially in older adults with reduced mobility. Even better? The fiber helps regulate blood sugar and improve digestion, 2 things that can interfere with how your body absorbs and uses nutrients for muscle recovery. Unlike flax seeds, you don't need to grind chia to get the benefits. Just soak them in water, milk, or a smoothie, and let nature work its magic. Stir into oatmeal or yogurt, add to a protein shake. Make chia pudding with almond milk, cinnamon, and honey. Sprinkle over a salad or soup for extra crunch. Did you know that Aztec warriors used chia seeds as fuel before battle? If they could power warriors, imagine what they could do for your walk, your gardening, or your next family gathering. We've talked about protein. We've talked about omega-3s, calcium, and recovery. But what about pleasure? What about a food that not only supports your muscles, but also boosts your mood, energy, and even your motivation to stay active? Get ready for food number 5. You may already love it, but you've never thought of it this way before. Coming up next, a delicious food that fights muscle breakdown and improves your outlook on life. Yes, it's sweet. And yes, it belongs in your muscle-building toolbox. The tastiest way to fight muscle loss is next. Don't miss it. Food number 5. Dark chocolate, the muscle-boosting pleasure food. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, the kind with at least 70% cocoa, deserves a place in your muscle rebuilding journey. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chocolate? For muscle health? Absolutely. Here's why. Dark chocolate contains powerful compounds called flavonols, natural plant antioxidants that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and help your muscles recover faster after activity. But there's more. A 2020 review in Frontiers in Nutrition found that cocoa flavonols may enhance muscle oxygenation and reduce fatigue, especially in older adults with reduced circulation. In other words, dark chocolate can actually help your muscles perform better, recover quicker, and hurt less. And that's not all. It's also rich in magnesium, helps relax muscles and prevent cramping. Iron, it delivers oxygen to muscles for energy. Theobromine, a natural compound that supports heart health and energy levels. One of my favorite interviews was with an 88-year-old ballroom dancer who keeps a square of dark chocolate in her purse. She told me, "It lifts my mood and my feet." That's the power of food when it's used right. Break off a square and melt it on your tongue after lunch. Grate it over oatmeal or Greek yogurt. Or pair it with almonds and berries for a heart-smart, muscle-loving treat. Here is pro tip: choose bars with 70% cocoa or higher and low in added sugar. Avoid milk chocolate, it's not the same. Seamless recap: the muscle rebuild plan. Let's bring it all together. If you're over 60, rebuilding muscle isn't just about exercise, it's about what you put in your body every day. Here's your daily guide. Eggs. Start your morning with a powerful, complete protein to kickstart muscle growth. Fatty fish. Reduce inflammation and fuel your recovery with omega-3s and lean protein. Cottage cheese. Feed your muscles while you sleep with slow-digesting casein protein. Chia seeds. A simple, plant-powered seed that supports strength, bones, and balance. Dark chocolate. The antioxidant-rich treat that helps reduce muscle fatigue and lifts your spirit. What would happen if you added just one of these foods to your diet this week? What would happen if you added all 5? Would your joints feel better? Would you move with more confidence? Would you feel like you again? It's not too late. In fact, it's the perfect time. Every meal is a chance to heal. Every bite is a step toward strength. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start by upgrading one meal. Add one new food this week. Take a walk. Hydrate. And remember, your muscles are listening. You've spent a lifetime taking care of others. Now it's time to take care of yourself, with love, with intention, and with food that works for you. Because aging isn't about fading, it's about refining, reclaiming, and rebuilding. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video to let YouTube know it helped you. Subscribe for weekly senior health wisdom. Share this with a friend who's ready to rebuild their strength. Watch next. 5 exercises every senior should do daily for stronger legs and balance. Because food is just the beginning, movement is the magic.